Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR, and what you're seeing here is two boxes. So we're having lighting installed tomorrow over our front door, and I will show you a picture of the before and after, but these are two boxes that arrived from Amazon. One is a chandelier and one is more like a arts and crafts style like box light for over our front door. So I can't decide which one, but I want to show you first how they come as you know, to my door. They're just boxed just like this. So this one's by St. Mossi, and then I don't know the brand of this one, but you can kind of see a little sneak peek of what it looks like. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open these up now, show you how they look, how they come assembled, or how they are packaged, and then I will keep you guys updated what we do and how it looks after. All right, this should be fun. And I'll put the information in the description box as well for you guys to find these on Amazon if you would like to see more about these items or these lighting fixtures. I'm super excited. I've been waiting and waiting like 4 years to get this new light fixture over my door. And tomorrow we're getting it installed. So I'm super excited. So stay tuned. All right, so I just opened up the box, and you guys, there's gloves in here to... They are so fancy. They put gloves in here so that you don't, I think it's so you don't put your fingerprints on the crystals on the chandelier. And oh my gosh, I've never gotten a lighting fixture with gloves to, oh my gosh, this is like crazy. It's so cool though. And this one is right now, I know Amazon prices can change on the, items like minute by minute, but this one right now is, I paid $139 for it, for this chandelier. And then this one, I paid $159. And so anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open these up more, but I wanted to show you, this is exactly what I saw when I first opened it up. It was white gloves in there. So let me go ahead and take this actually off. I'll go ahead and take a look. Oh my gosh. So it does come in a lot of pieces, it looks like. So, oh, these are the crystals, the little dangly chandelier pieces. And so I just have to decide which one I want to use. So actually, I'll just go ahead and show you now. So this is like, they come in pieces like this. So these are like the arms, and you get all your arms. I think it's 6 lights. I think it's 6 total lights that it takes. So there's that. And then try not to break this popcorn stuff up because that makes a mess everywhere, that styrofoam. Okay, so here is more of the skeleton of the chandelier, we'll call it that. I did order this one because it has a 5-foot chain, I believe. It's a 5-foot chain, and we need that because we have like a double height space over our front door, and it's like I couldn't find anything longer than that. So we did need that to make sure it hits the right spot over our doorway. And so here's more pieces to the chandelier. Here's more like the crystal part. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. You see that? Oh my gosh, this is really nice. And then here is, oh my, this is really, this I think it's about 13.5 pounds. This is kind of heavy. This is like the top piece, I think, or maybe the bottom piece of the chandelier. And here's some more pieces like the nuts and bolts, literally the nuts and bolts of it. So yeah, let me go ahead and go a little bit more into this. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so I probably should have my gloves on, right? Because, oh boy. So it is kind of sharp. Is that broken? No, it's okay, good. It's not broken. Okay, there's this little like, okay, let me show you. There's these little like metal pieces. See how it's like kind of sticking out? So I'm not sure. I think it probably attaches the crystals on there. But yeah, I see why they say put the gloves on, because that is kind of sharp. So anyways, let me go ahead and keep opening this, and I will be back. Okay, so we are actually really getting unboxing this, and I have the gloves on, you guys. So anyway, look at this. This is glass, friends. This is not plastic. This is super nice. Look at the detail. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see this up. And it lit up with all the lights. It's going to sparkle so much. It's going to be so gorgeous. So that's like the, the middle of the chandelier, kind of like the spine of the chandelier, if you will. Here's more of the directions right here. So this is the back side of that paper when I first opened up with the warranty in the front. So here's the back side. It shows you how to put it together. But this is also out of the plastic. This thing is, I don't want to pick it up. I don't want to actually drop it right now. But that's, look at this. Look at this. This is crazy. And then look at these crystals. I know I'm not in a like really good lighting spot right now to show you the beauty of these. But, okay, these are all crystals. Let me see. I'll take one out. So, look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm going to go over to the table really quick and open these up and show you on the table in a better lighting so you can see. But they do come in all these baggies. It's like wild. And I think they're like labeled, which is nice. So I think there's different shapes and sizes. I think that's what they're doing. Yeah, and so it kind of like correlates with that. All right, so I will be right back. I'm going to put these on the table and open them up. All right, so I just put it on my new Valentine red heart lace tablecloth. I got at Hobby Lobby, but I wanted to show you because I think it pops on the red. You can see the crystals. Look at this. These are gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I would wear these as earrings, like seriously. They're so pretty. And then here it is on just against the wood so you can see the difference. But yeah, gorgeous. This is just going to be like spectacular when it's all lit up, you know? So I can't wait to show you the final product. So stay tuned. We're still putting it together and I'll show you more as we come along. All right. So far it's coming along really, really nicely. So I want to show you, these all have to be assembled. My husband's doing this, so it's a little bit time consuming to put this together. You have to feed the wire through each of these little loops. And then this is all glass. I don't know if I mentioned that. This is glass, you guys. This is glass. And so here's this piece. And then I want to go ahead and show you what else is going on over with the crystals. We're putting, or my husband, not me, my husband is putting the crystals on as well. Okay, so you can see he had to manually put on each crystal on the little loop-de-loop thing there. The little like rings there. Each of them had to manually be put on. And but it looks so beautiful. It looks like ice, doesn't it? Looks like ice cubes in there. It's so pretty. Also, oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, see this? Look at this gorgeousness happening right now. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so we're going to keep working, or my husband is going to keep working on this, and I'll be back with more updates. All right, so here is mostly put together chandelier. We're going to be hanging this today, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is so gorgeous, isn't it? I'm going to go in a little bit closer. You can see it has like pieces. Each layer has like each tier has like the chandelier pieces hanging off of it. It's just so, so gorgeous. And we got these bulbs too from Amazon. We ordered these separately. They're LED bulbs. They're really, really nice. I'll put that information in my description box as well. But look at how gorgeous this is. It's like so, so beautiful. I cannot wait to put this up, see how it looks up in the over our entryway. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? Oh, it's so pretty. So we will have it up and you will see. Can't wait for you guys to see it all. It's going to be so, so pretty. And it's all glass. This is all glass. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, right? All right, so here is the before chandelier. I'm standing on my stairs. So I want to show you the before we change it out. You can see we have a pretty tall ceiling. So yeah, I'm really excited to get this new chandelier replaced. All right, so it is up and running. Isn't it just beautiful? Oh, I think this thing is so gorgeous. It's like so opulent. It is on a dimmer right now. We have a dimmer switch, so it's on the lowest setting right now. The camera makes it look a little bit brighter than what it really is, but it's a very nice dimmed light. And just the crystals on it are so pretty, right? It's just so, so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and go a little bit underneath. I'm on my stairs right now, so I'm going to walk underneath it a little bit so you can see all the crystals a little bit better. And yeah, Yeah, it's just so beautiful. Such a statement piece. And actually, you can see from the front of our window outside, you can actually see this chandelier from the outside when you're walking up to our door. It looks so pretty. So I think this chandelier turned out beautiful. And you see the beautiful like silver cover plate there on the top and the silver chain. Let me go to the top of the stairs so you can see the top of the fixture a little bit better. Okay, so here we are at the top, mostly the top of my stairs. I'm right at the top of my stairs. And there we are again. Beautiful, beautiful light. Look at how gorgeous those crystals are hanging. Oh, love it so much. So again, I have it on the lowest dimming setting right now. I'm going to turn it off and let you see what it looks like without the lights on, so you can see the crystals as well, how it looks without the lights on. And it's just stunning, absolutely stunning. So I will be right back. Okay, so here we are without the lights on, and isn't it just so pretty? See the LED bulbs in there? I know it's a little grainy with my camera settings, but because I'm using my cell phone to record this. But yeah, it is just stunning, absolutely stunning, right? So like I said, I'll put the information in my description box for the Amazon link to this. I hope you guys like it too. I'm in love with it. I've always wanted a chandelier ever since we moved to this house because our last house we had chandeliers all over the house we put in, and then we sold the house and they wanted the chandeliers, so we came here and it's like starting back from scratch, putting all the chandeliers back into our house. So anyways, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe, and my returning family, thank you so much for being here. So with that being said, I will close this video, but I'll see you soon with my next haul. All right, friends, till next time, everybody, take care. God bless. I'll see you soon. Bye now.